What are you doing?
He's not going to try to use his app.
He's trying.
Not.
Okay, we brought
You guys got a home?
Bottom two. Better. Go on, come on.
Did we ever give you your big brown blanket back? Because we had that forever.
What?
I don't know where it's at. I was thinking about it today.
Come on. Let it go, let it go. Let it go, bitch.
You know, making a little bit of
Remember when we were in the house and I said, hey, why don't you go get something? What? You remember that?
Come on, make a play, make a play. There you go.
Good
Go,
job.
Evan! Good job, Evan!
What up?
Here we go, Hunter.
What up? Go on, go on.
Nice.
Good job, Hunter. Good location there, Hunter. Good job. Nice hit. One more, Hunter. Come on. Two balls. Two strikes. Boom. Oh, Hunter, do it again, boy. That was a good pitch. Good pitch, Hunter. Two balls. Two strikes.
Go, boys.
Go, Hunter.
Ah!
Nice.
Good pitch, Hunter.
Two down.
You good, Hunter? Do it again, bud.
Good kid. You got that.
Good
Oh.
try.
Good try.
All right. Way to get it in,
Way to get it in
boys.
there.
So many years ago, I played softball with Judah. Not sure. We had to teach him to call ball.
Hunter, get better, bud.
Yeah, just stay close. You should tell Ryan. No, you can plug it in. I expect you back, and I expect to see you back here in like 2 minutes.
You got 2 minutes. Go.
Go, Hunter. Plug her. Oh, he's going.
You got him. Run him down. Good job.
Good job, Riley.
Way to go, Riley.
Smart. That was smart.
We're up by 3.
Good job, dude.
One angled ahead of him, though, okay?
I was ecstatic though.
Can do it.
Call it. Call it.
Call it. Nice. You're gonna laugh the whole time. There isn't anything more. What would you play? Allow just like
Putting in posts on
there's something like that. Take me out to the ball game. I'm the better of the strong from Yeah. Oh, 1 everything, 2 everything, and 3 everything.
I darned it.
Hi, people.
How are ya? How are you? Yeah, good game, buddy. Good job. Warm up.
Your mom laughed at me.
The funny thing is, like, I can picture myself like in college.
Top of 3.
Picking out my nephew's
Go, Noah.
Good eye, bud. When that song came on, yeah, it was like a party start.
For the, that was on mine, but I left my phone at home. Let me get a phone.
Ball. No strike.
Maybe I'll go over there. Let's go, Noah. Alright, here we go. You got this. Here we go. Right here. That's all you know, right here. Probably sitting in the car.
Bravo.
Peace, bud.
Alright. Alright, come on, Noah.
You got this, Noah. Go, bud.
Head to contact, Noah. Head to contact.
I still need to go to 7-Eleven. It was across the street.
What?
Way to watch, dude. Way to watch. Right there. Yeah. Right here, Noah. You got this.
Bravo.
Way to stay alive.
Rebound. He's good. Wait.
Anything close, you got it. Here we go. That's alright. It's okay.
It's alright, Noah.
Here we go, Brooke.
Let's go, Brooke. Go, Brooke.
Right here, Brooke.
Pick it up early. Pick it up early, bro.
You got this. Right here.
Good eye.
Way to watch. Oh, here you go. Go back. It gives you something to do. You guys are bored.
Now you know, bud. Now you know.
I didn't know I took it.
One ball. He's good.
Don't forget to lock the doors. Without
Without
in your
the keys
hand.
in it.
Nice! Good job. All right, Austin. Here we go, buddy. These little guys. I like it.
What up?
Hey, one round.
Go, buddy.
Anything else in my Go, Austin. You got it, bud. Good eye. Yep, nice.
Way to be. Good job. Good job, boys.
No,
No.
different team every time. Okay.
Go, Austin.
Right.
All right, Austin. Now you know, bud. Now you know.